Good morning. Well, yesterday stocks plunged after the Fed said it would start scaling back their bond purchases later this year. And this morning, the selling continues and commodities have joined the sell-off frenzy. Oil has fallen below $97, dropping $2, the most in 1 month. Copper also slid to a 7-week low on weak Chinese data. Add to that gold, which fell to a 3-year low after the Fed's comments. Now, UBS cut its gold price forecast by 10% to $1,440, down from $1,600. The analyst also said that gold will fall into the $1,150, $1,300 territory in the coming months. That's quite a drop. All of the commodity groups have been a favorite of conservative investors, while the bond rate stayed unnaturally low. Well, now with rates expected to go higher, well, those investors are bailing out. Men's Wearhouse continues to stay in the news after the company fired its founder and ad man, George Zimmer. The stock sold off yesterday as the company announced it terminated Zimmer and postponed the annual meeting of shareholders. Zimmer founded the company in 1973 down in Houston, and while he was kind of slowly moving aside for new leadership, it apparently wasn't fast enough. Now, the company really didn't say exactly why he was let go, although some people are saying it's because they wanted to appeal to a younger customer and they wanted Zimmer out of the commercials. I guess they didn't like the way he looked. They guaranteed it. Microsoft made an abrupt about-face on some of the controversial features of their upcoming Xbox One console. The company scrapped requirements that would have prevented users from playing offline games, and that also made it difficult for them to sell the used games in response to some fierce online criticism. Microsoft was beaten up badly by the press after the E3 conference and against its loyal customer base. Now, the console is priced higher than Sony's by about $100. So you really don't want to anger your customers and your users before the product is even out on the market. It was just a terrible move. Microsoft sees the errors of its way. They reverse course, but the stock is still down slightly this morning. And finally, James Gandolfini, star of The Sopranos, died yesterday in Sicily of a heart attack at 51. So rest in peace, Tony Soprano. That's what's happening before the bell. I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street. Good luck trading today.